Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this wiggle text for your projects, skits, or films. And if you want to download any of the project files, any of the assets, you can always do so by clicking the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Now when you download the wiggle text folder, you'll get a zip folder, but once you extract it, you'll get this folder with all these video files in it, and it'll be A through Z. And you can just drag in whatever you want. So I can drag in an H, I can drag in an A, I can drag in a T. You can spell hat. And again, these video files all have no background whatsoever, so you can literally put it over a video file. You can put it over almost anything that you want. And then all we have to do then is just move the text a little bit. And we have it spelling hat. So I have these little wiggly dancing text that spell hat. And like always, you can download any of these assets, any of these files by clicking the link in the description below. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. If you guys disliked it, hit that dislike button. And I'll see you guys around.